This is the second motor, the second cylinder that we put on. Again, our customer heated so hot and they couldn't tear it apart. And we are hoping to crack it right away. Go ahead, Al.
But it's gonna fit to the pressure.
Pardon?
Pressure.
Yeah, I'll show how. Yeah, go ahead, please.
800.
Yeah, only 800, and you're running with the motor one, not the cylinder.
No, the other one is motor. Just only motor.
Only the motor, not the cylinder even. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, spraying some juice on it and to save the thread. And yeah, let's go, my Al. It's turning easy peasy. They did heat it a lot, but they couldn't get it off, and yeah. Yeah, 5-wrench mechanism, and it's taking it off pretty easy. Okay, second cylinder is done today. Thank you.